I am Dr. S.M. Raju, former IAS officer, and today I am going to show de-husked, soaked green gram salad for lunch. The moment you feel that green gram salad lunch means, how can it possible? So once if I explain this recipe, you will understand. Basically this lunch I am advocating for cancer patients, autoimmune disorders, obesity, and also for bodybuilders. Now I would like to tell you about the ingredients: green gram, pomegranate, grated coconut, cucumber, carrot, sweet corn, roasted peanuts, lemon, green chilies, coriander leaves, salt and pepper. So here, literally speaking, everything it is there, and it will give the balanced diet for the body. Initially you may feel that what hell it is, how can I consume this in this way? But point is, till the recovery of cancer, till the recovery of this autoimmune disorder, you can follow effectively. Only first 3 days you will get little bit uneasiness, otherwise you will really love it. All the ingredients are there. Once we prepare the things and if you taste it, then you cannot imagine, you will not leave this. Now I am going to mix all these ingredients proportionately as I told you. Now I am taking this de-husked, soaked green gram. This is about 2.5 tablespoons. And now I am taking pomegranate. This is around 2.5 to 3 spoons. Grated coconut. This is also 2.5 spoons. Chopped cucumber, 2 to 3 tablespoons or half cup you can say. This is grated carrot. This is also half cup. This is a half cup corn, sweet corn. And this is roasted peanuts, 2 tablespoons or as per your taste. Now you just take all these things and you put black pepper according to your requirement, say half teaspoon, and little bit, a pinch of salt. And 1 lemon. See, now I am squeezing on this. So you just mix it properly. Add little bit green chilies and add little bit coriander leaves. See how actually it is. See, look how beautifully it looks. You will really enjoy it. This is a real elixir, real amrit for cancer patients, and autoimmune disorder like SLE, Pemphigus vulgaris, psoriasis, and ankylosing spondylitis, etc. So you will really enjoy it. And also for obesity and for cancer, it is an unimaginable medicinal values there. Thank you.